lot of word of mouth for a couple of years. And then how else are you marketing yourself? I love to hear the hustle. I love to hear entrepreneurial stuff because you talked about social media and it's obviously a huge opportunity. Are you putting out stuff on yourself? Are you doing YouTube? What are you doing?
Yeah, so I started taking digital marketing classes a couple of years ago.
Nice.
8 years
You're
after
going to have to share some secrets.
Yeah, go to work like anything else. I mean, the funny part is we all know how to do it for deals or investment banking or whatever, right? So we read volumes of stuff. Anything that you want to get good at, in my mind, you go read the people who are smart about it. What are they saying? What are they putting out? I think, in the next 10, 20, 30 years of this, there's going to be a lot more digital connections driving business than golf courses and expensive lunches. And so if you get good at sort of managing a digital marketing platform, which is your LinkedIn, which is your website and AdWords, which is your email marketing, which is all of these things. I had to go back to like marketing 101 from business school.